So, the billion-dollar question, is the gold card going to replace the current investor green card program known as EB5? Well, in this video, we'll analyze whether it's actually going to happen and what other green card categories will be replaced by the gold card. So, everything in this video. Hello everybody and welcome back to Immigration Channel. In this video, we'll answer the million-dollar question. Is the gold card going to replace the current EB5 program? And if it's not going to replace the EB5, what program is it going to replace? Because it's going to replace some kind of green card program. Well, it's been about a week or so since their launch of the gold card. There was an executive order that was launched about a week ago, and I've made a short video explaining some things. And I think after this video and other shorts, many people were bombarding us with questions. Is this gold card going to take away, replace the EB5? And remember, guys, it's not just gold card. We have within this gold card, we have $1 million route, we have a $2 million route, and we have another card coming called the platinum card, which will be a $5 million investment. And by way of introduction, this gold card was introduced a few months ago when Trump said something that he's going to launch a program and it's going to be $5 million for investors. It's going to have all these benefits. And people were excited about this and they signed up for the wait list. And then just a week ago, an executive order was released. And in this executive order, the $5 million was reduced to $1 million and $2 million if a company invests. Well, I'm going to break it down for you exactly what these investments are. I'm going to tell you what the different programs are, the difference between the 1 million and the 2 million, what's going to happen to EB5, and what green card categories might be completely gone in the next year or so. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end because I'm going to touch on these topics one by one. So what happened about a week ago? The Trump administration signed an executive order called launching the gold card. This was just happened about a week ago. And in this executive order, they specify which categories of green cards might be replaced by this $1 million and $2 million investment. What is the timeline for all this to happen? And what you need to know if you want to be part of this investor visa program, which obviously ultimately leads to a green card. So let's understand the main facts from this executive order. Point number one, introducing the gold card, a $1 million investment, which is a gift non-refundable to the US government in exchange for a green card. Once you obtain a green card through the gold card, you'll have to wait 5 years and then you'll be eligible to apply for US citizenship, just like any other green card that you apply today. Now, in addition to the 1 million that an individual needs to invest, there is a corporate option of the same program, a $2 million investment. A corporate gold card is also available to companies for an amount of $2 million. And this way, companies can fast track a green card for an employee by gifting the government $2 million and getting a fast track to get a green card for their employee, bypassing the traditional EB2, EB3 programs that sometimes take 3 to 5 years to finish. This probably will be less than a year and a half. Now, once a green card is obtained through a corporate employee, then they can transfer it to another employee by paying a maintenance fee yearly. That is all possible through the $2 million corporate gift to the US government. And then they're going to launch a third program called Platinum Card. That one is going to be a $5 million investment. This is not yet official. We don't know when it's going to be announced, but if you are eligible and you're going to be part of this program, you'll have up to 270 days inside the United States without triggering US taxes on non-US income. This is major for the ultra wealthy that want to spend almost a year in the United States without paying double taxation. And trust me, guys, many people are going to be applying for this $5 million card. This one is pending congressional approval. It's not yet available, and it's not yet going to be available for individuals to actually use it. Right now, we have a wait list only. So what is actually going to happen? Will the EB5 be replaced by the gold card? Before I answer this question, guys, if you're here for the first time and you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, please click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matters, send me a text to 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationasap.com, leave your details, and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. And now let's go back into the video. So, will the gold card replace the EB5? Well, based on the most recent announcement, the answer is no. The EB5 will remain separate until further notice. What is going to be at risk based on the executive order is the EB2 national interest waiver and the EB1 self petition. Those two programs might be replaced by the gold card and the corporate gold card. And the reason why we know that is because in the executive order in section 3 or so over there, they mentioned that this program, the gold card, will be implemented under the EB1 and EB2 NIW rules, which means that initially they might be using them with the current existing EB1s. But the idea is that the Commerce Secretary said that they feel that these programs are dated and they want to give chance to people who are actually going to contribute to the US economy, create jobs, and eventually they're going to phase out EB1 and the EB2 NIW. And this is what they announced. Now, when is this going to be effective? The gold card is going to be effective as of December 19, 2025. So it's 90 days since September 19 that they announced it. And so remember, right now we are in the implementation process. So unless anything major happens, unless there are going to be any other changes, this might be effective on December 19th. So if you're interested, please send me a text. We are forming our own wait list for clients that want to apply for the gold card. We already have a nice list already, and we want to make sure that you're qualified based on the source of funds. So please send me a text right now. So why is this major? It's major because there's a shift from job creation to wealth-based immigration. So if you are a national interest waiver entrepreneur, you're building a company, you're going to create jobs. If you're an EB1 entrepreneur, you're probably going to create something or be part of something major that will impact the United States economy by adding more jobs. They don't care about that. They're saying we'll eventually eliminate this and bring opportunities for those that want to create wealth in the United States, which means that the more people have money, the more opportunities they'll have to come to the United States faster and skip the line. And remember, if you're trying as an employer, if you're trying to get talent, these are not the kind of people that are going to work for you, not the ultra wealthy. You're still going to have to find ways to apply for O1 visas, for H1B visas, for TN visas, for all other categories, E2s, to try to juggle the things you can do to make sure you keep workers working for you. And if you're somebody who wants to come to the United States, if you're eligible for the EB1, if you're eligible for the NIW, because of your accomplishments in your career abroad, now is the time to file. Because I don't think they're going to eliminate the EB1 or NIW EB2 on December 19th, but maybe sometime in 2026, we're going to see this program go away. So if you qualify or you believe that you were thinking about applying for this and you were hesitating, now is essential for you to do this, because once you file, they won't be able to take away your application. So now is the time to apply for self-petitions. Please send me a text. We are begging you guys, if you qualify, to do it now, because we want the best and the brightest to still come to the United States. Even if you don't have money, but you have the skills, now is the time to apply. We are doing this a lot. We're working overtime just to get those applications filed, because we don't know what's going to happen after December 19th. So again, right now, if you don't have the $1 million, or if as a company you don't want to spend $2 million, take advantage of the traditional visas. We have J1 visas for exchange workers. We've got the H1B still available. Yes, they're going to apply a $100,000 fee, but it's still cheaper than $1 million. We've got the O1 for special talent. We've got TN visa for Mexican and Canadian workers. We've got the E2 visa for entrepreneurs and contractors. We've got the L1 visa to transfer workers from your subsidiaries abroad. We've got a nice suite of visas that we can use right now. And all you have to do is contact me so we can build and plan the strategies for you, either as an employee or as a company, to be able to navigate those challenges. And guys, if you have $1 million and you think it's a good program for you, by all means. I know many people that couldn't qualify before because they didn't have the skills, but they had the money, but they didn't want to go with the EB5 for many reasons. The gold card will be a great opportunity for them to come here faster and get their opportunities to build their life in the United States. We know a lot of DACA students who build massive companies and could take advantage of this gold card. And I'm excited to be ahead of the game and help as many people as we can to get their green cards, either through investment or through talent. Whatever they choose, we are here for you guys. So once again, share this video. Let me know if I can be of assistance to you. Send me a text, 619-483-4549. And guess what? We'll see you in our next video.